product, like product names, and then I had the financial need and then the life need. Those are two different things, aren't they? And I'm going to give you an example. An auto loan, what is the financial need in an auto loan? What's the financial need?
An affordable payment.
Yeah, I have to have maybe a certain monthly payment that I can afford, right? What is my life need?
I need transportation.
A car. Can we just say that? A car. Isn't it sad if someone comes in for an auto loan and the first thing they're asking, what would you like, 24, 36, 48? That sounds like bad measurements to me. Okay. I don't want a term. I want what? A car. And so go back and think about if someone at a party told you that they were out looking for a new car, what would be the first thing you would ask? Oh, what kind? That's exciting. See, I think what happens is many times in financial services industry, our customer, in your case your member, has been out there or in their life and they really want something and they figured out exactly what they want, and then they walk through these doors, and what happens to their emotional level? I gotta pay for this, right? So what part of our job in service and meeting their expectation is to elevate them back to that good place they were by recognizing the excitement or the goal in their life. What about if I'm saving for a college education for my child? Okay, what's my financial need? Lots and lots of money, right? Okay. Years ago, when my kids were, well, one of them was about 12, there was a thing on Good Morning America called the Kiplinger Report. Some of you may remember this. It was just like a little 5-minute blurb. And I was lying in the bed still. My husband, the banker, was getting dressed. And this is what they said. Think about this. They said, if your child is 12 years old, okay, now am I paying attention now? My child is 12. You only have 5 years left to save for their college education, and the cost of a college education in 5 years will, in average in the United States, will be $100,000. I was gasping for air because I thought, I've only got 7 years because I had only 2 years behind to have $200,000. I'm in big trouble. What did they do? They created a word picture, didn't they, for me? They created a life picture. They weren't talking about products, were they? They were talking about life. The product part kind of came second. So always think about that. The financial need would be for something, some sort of savings plan. But what's my life need? I want my child to be successful.